Mac OS X Snow Leopard provides the tools you need to prepare for a day in the classroom. You can read your email, manage your schedule, gather resources for a lesson, and organize your Mac the way that works best for you. It's easy to send, read, and keep track of your email with Mail. Here you can see your inbox, drafts of unsent messages, and emails you've sent. Mail can be used with more than one account, such as a district account, a MobileMe account, or one from another provider. You can organize email you want to save into folders called mailboxes and group mailboxes together. There can be a mailbox for each class, and within that, a mailbox for each team. To create a new mailbox, click the plus button and choose New Mailbox. Select a location to save the mailbox, type a name, and click OK. Mail makes it easy to view a set of related emails. When you click an email, all related emails are highlighted in blue. Or you can have emails automatically grouped into threads by choosing Organize by Thread from the View menu. When an email includes an important date, such as for an important class or school event, you can quickly add it as an event to your classroom calendar in iCal. Click the arrow and choose Create New iCal Event. Add any additional information about the event and click Add to iCal. iCal is a valuable tool for keeping track of all of your calendars. You can schedule homework assignments, invite other teachers to meetings, and always know when there's a late start day. Your schedule can be viewed by week, by month, or by day. Calendars can be created for different purposes, each with a different color. They can then all be displayed in one window. You could have one master calendar for all class dates, one for district and school events, one for your personal schedule, and one for your department. You can also subscribe to calendars from others, such as those kept by student project groups. Here's the event added from Mail. Double-click an event to see details about it. To make a change, click Edit. It's easy to adjust the time for the event or make other changes. To create a new event, double-click where you'd like the event to begin. This event is for a weekly meeting with the other teachers on your team. Drag the top or bottom of an event to change its duration, or click the center of the event and drag it to reschedule. You can add an alarm to this staff meeting so you don't forget about it. The reminder will be a message 15 minutes before the meeting starts. A file, such as an agenda, can also be added to the event by clicking Add File. You can also add notes to events as reminders. Colored banners that span multiple days can be used to make it easy to see the duration of the multiple parts of a project or lesson. To create a banner, in Day or Week view, double-click in the All Day area. Then, drag a corner of the event across the days in the main calendar view. To delete an event, select it, and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. You can use iCal to let other teachers or staff know about the meeting. Just click in the Attendees field and add their email addresses. Any contacts that are saved on your computer or on the server will appear here too. Just start typing a name, and iCal will find it and complete it. Then click Send to notify everyone. In addition to sending notices about events, with Mac OS X Server, you can publish your calendars and subscribe to those of others right within iCal. To share your master calendar with other teachers on your team, select it, then choose Publish from the Calendar menu. In the dialog that appears, choose a private server, enter a URL, and select a login name and password. Now, all you would need to do is email your shared calendar URL to the other teachers for them to access it. You can also see the calendar that a student group set up. Choose Subscribe from the Calendar menu, and enter the web address of the calendar. Now you can view that group's calendar from your own iCal. To hide a shared calendar, click the checkbox next to its name. Dashboard gives you fast access to information with a collection of small applications called widgets that can be used no matter what application you're working in. To open Dashboard, press the Dashboard key on your keyboard, or click the Dashboard icon in the dock. A semi-transparent layer of widgets appears. Dashboard comes with a set of widgets that includes a calculator, a dictionary and thesaurus, and a converter for units of measurement. To use a widget, just click on it. As you write notes to prepare for class, you could use the calculator widget to quickly add up the weights of types of food packaging, recyclable and non-recyclable, that you want to share with your students. When you're done using the widget, just click outside of it to return to the previous application. It's easy to add different widgets to the dashboard by downloading them for free from an Apple web page on the Internet. To search for additional widgets, click and hold the dashboard icon in the dock. Then choose More Widgets. This takes you to a web page where you can browse over 3,000 widgets by popularity or category. Click a category, then click the name of the widget. To find information for a class discussion, you could add a widget produced by NASA on global climate change. Clicking More Info shows details about the widget. Click Download and the widget will automatically be added to your dashboard. To rearrange your dashboard widgets, just drag them to a new position. They don't all have to be kept on screen all the time. Click the plus button and drag them onto the screen when you need them, or click the X button to close a widget. While gathering resources to share with your class, you can see what's available on iTunes U. iTunes U is a valuable resource for free educational audio and video content from colleges and universities, state departments of education, and many cultural and education organizations. To go to iTunes U, first open iTunes. Go to the iTunes Store, then click iTunes U. The iTunes U main page always shows new and popular content and allows you to browse content by category. Or you can search for a specific term or topic by entering text in the search field, such as sustainable food when you're getting ready to teach a sustainability unit. The iTunes Store divides the results into categories. You can choose iTunes U to see just the iTunes U items from the search. Click All Results to return to the full results. The Ethics of Eating series includes 2 talks that the class might find helpful. Click Subscribe to download these 2 files. Subscribing also means that any new episodes in this series will automatically be downloaded to your iTunes library. If you just want an episode without subscribing to future ones, click Get. Often, transcripts of the audio are available too. Whether you're preparing for or teaching a class, you'll often have several applications open at the same time. 2 features in Mac OS X can help with organizing your workspace. First, you can use Exposé, a tool that makes it easy to find the window you're looking for. Press the Exposé key on your keyboard to display all the open windows on your desktop. Move the pointer over the window you want, and click to bring it to the front. Hold the Command key and press the Exposé key to hide all open windows and show the desktop, making it easier to locate a file. You can also use a feature in Snow Leopard called Spaces. With Spaces, you can organize groups of applications and windows into their own spaces. Click the Spaces icon in the dock. There are now 4 individual spaces. You can click from one space to the next and move between different work zones. Keynote can be in one space, iCal in another, iTunes in another, and Mail and your grading documents in still another. Now things are a lot less cluttered. To switch to a different space, click the Spaces icon, or click an Applications icon in the dock. You can also permanently assign an application to a specific space using System Preferences. In Exposé and Spaces Preferences, click the plus button to see any applications that are open. Select one and choose the space it should be assigned to. In System Preferences, it's easy to set up your own shortcut keys to use to move quickly from space to space. Now, iCal will always be assigned to space 2, and you can move from space to space using the keyboard. With all the powerful tools built into Snow Leopard, Mail, iCal, iTunes, and Expose and Spaces, you have everything you need to help manage your schedule, plan your classroom lessons and projects, and organize your work.